All right, level one. Well, since you've already done the little guidelines on your practice page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to actually add your dots. So we're going to be using this value scale, and then we're also going to be looking at these numbers on this particular sample right here. So we see that it's going to be 4 right here for your darker value as you come in the little fold area. So what we're going to end up doing, we're going to take our O1 initially, and with those guidelines that you guys actually did, you're going to be creating just little guideline dots. And as I come out to the lighter areas, I'm going to space these out significantly more than the inside areas. So make them closer together as you go in the inside areas, and then spread them out as you go towards the light areas. So that'll give you just a little bit of a guideline as you go. And the thought here is to just look back and forth between this and this, and then your actual scale that you guys have on your paper. So what you'll end up doing is you'll start with making lines that they may match the actual 3 value on your paper. But with that, what you'll do is in the middle of each little section, like you've got 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections, what you're going to do in each of your sections, and I'm kind of going in the middle of my first section, I'm going to take my dots and I'm making them go this way. I'm curving in the direction of the line that I just made. And they're going to be heavier, as you can see right here, when you go to where the one part of the ribbon meets the other part. So after I add a little foundation to that section, what I'll end up doing is I'll go to my next section and I'll just start to curve it. I'm just adding a little foundational layer, and then I'm going to get darker as I get towards this little intersection right here. And then I'm going to do the same thing, just going to move over to my third section. And just keeping in mind that my dots will start to get darker towards this bottom section. And I'm paying attention to they're going to spread out as I get towards the light, and I can continue to layer in other sections as I go. So I'll continue to darken my section. This is my last section right here, and I'll continue to curve my dots. And then I'll compare what I have. I need to continue to layer my lines. So I'll just go back to my section, and I'm paying attention to, I'm looking at, although these lines, these initial lines right here are covered up, I'm looking at the lines up here to still continue to direct my dots in a curved manner. So I'm going more on this first little section, you see the little film strip thing, and then I'm tapering off to the second little section. I haven't really done anything up here to this particular section. I'm going to stop the video and then I'll continue on.